Ask Studio is an AI creative partner in YouTube Studio that helps you understand and improve your content. What if Ask Studio could tell you which of your videos is getting lower views because your title isn't catchy enough? A low click-through rate could mean your title or thumbnail isn't enough to catch the viewer's attention. Now let's select the video with the lowest click-through rate. Now let's type our prompt to suggest some good titles. Ask Studio suggest some high engaging titles that can get our viewers' attention and increase our views and click-through rate.